Hey everyone! So, for most of you watching this, you will have probably seen me, if not someone else, showing you how to do a Cinnabun, if not once, a million times. But, since my hair has reached ankle length, I thought I'd give it another go. Since my previous videos were quite a while back in 2011 and 2014. And if I've posted this correctly, there should be some links on the screen about now. Anyway, so today I'm using 6 jaw clips. These are the larger of the ones that I normally use for a nice comfortable Cinnabun, and the ones I usually use if my hair is wet, because they're a little bit bigger and chunkier. So I use 2 on the first round and 4 on the second with this size one. If I'm using the smaller ones I use more, if I'm using bigger ones I use less. Anyway, I know I've been a bit absent on this channel lately, maybe for the past few years. I haven't really had a chance to record, edit or post anything, and that's kind of probably since about 2019 for anything hair related. But I also haven't really had many updos that aren't my normal go-to styles. Oh, there we go, look, nice and secure. But I'm thinking there are a few updos that I did in sort of 2019, 2020 and 2021, which I might put together if I get a chance at some point into a slideshow and post that up, just for sort of continuity's sake. Anyway, a little update there, and I'll hopefully see you all soon, so bye!